Let's make a dessert under $10. We're gonna grab our family size strawberry jello for $1.92, a graham cracker pie crust for $1.62, a large Greek plain yogurt for $2.97, a small package of strawberries for $1.76, and whipped topping for $1.22. Family size strawberry jello and 2 cups of boiling water. Now we're gonna grab our whisk and we're just gonna mix this together until all of that jello has disintegrated into our hot water. You need to mix this for about 1 minute. Okay, let that mix and disintegrate. Now we're adding 2 cups of cold water and we're gonna mix this as we add it. We're just following the box instructions so that we can get a nice thick jello, and we're just gonna whisk that up for another minute. All right, that's all mixed together. We're gonna keep our whisk in there because we're still gonna use it, but now we are gonna come in with our Greek plain yogurt, and we need 2 cups of our Greek yogurt. So we are just going to fill up our cup twice. Now you can use a vanilla yogurt, a strawberry yogurt, but it just needs to be a Greek yogurt. This is just gonna add some protein and some delicious kind of, tart flavoring. All right, that's 1 cup, and we're gonna add that right into our jello mixture. You don't need to let it thicken yet because this will just add to the consistency. All right, let's do 1 more cup of our yogurt. All right. 2 cups, all right, in there. I might be making too much of a mixture, but this is my first time making this recipe and I just wanted to make sure I did it right. Perfect, okay. And we're gonna keep whisking this until all of that yogurt gets nicely combined with our jello. All right, now we have that beautiful pink color and we can bring in that pre-made graham cracker pie crust that we got from Walmart. And like I said, I think I made too much mixture. You guys would probably do the small size of the jello. And we're just filling that up the best we can. This is kind of the theme of the day. All right, that looks great. All right, we cleaned up our mess. Like everyone says, if you're not making a mess in the kitchen, you're not doing it right. So we are going to carefully grab our pie crust and pop this in the freezer until it's solidified. All right, we took this out of the freezer. It is fully solid, but you cannot forget we bought that whip topping and I put it in a piping bag with a piping tip, and we are just going to create little rosettes on our pie, just like this. Just kind of makes it extra cute, cover up some of that mess we made for this yummy and beautiful strawberry dessert. And yes, we said strawberry because we have those fresh strawberries. I am so grateful for Walmart because they have that smaller pack of strawberries that are super affordable, but this is gonna be absolutely delicious. There we go, look how cute that is. I love it. All right, it is time to get a slice of this. It's gonna be so yummy. Oh yeah, look at that. Still has like that jello texture. Yummy. All right. Moment of truth. Our yogurt, jello, strawberry pie. Wow, that is so refreshing. Oh my gosh, you guys have to give it a try.